In the name of God Almighty, hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're quite well. Lesson 11. Spelling patterns for sound. One sound. Relax it. One sound. In British English. Determine. Deter. Deter. In American English. Final R in British English is pronounced like R plus consonant. In British English, person. R plus vowel. In British English is pronounced like her aunt. Her aunt. R in American English is pronounced deter. Everywhere. So R in American English, everywhere. Person, her aunt. Spelling patterns for sound. E-R, person, verb, term. E-A-R, earn, learn, heard. U-R, burn, nurse, turn. I-R, skirt, third, bird. O-R, work, word, worse. O-U-R, journey, curtsy, scourge. The American accent. Deter, person, verb, term. Deter, learn, heard, burn, nurse, churn, skirt, third, bird, work, word, worth, journey, curtsy, skirt. E-R-R, I-R-R, O-R-R, U-R-R, Y-R-R. For E-R-R, we we have referring. For IRR, we have stirring. Where. For ORR, in American accent, worry, but in British accent, worry. For URR, hurry, but in British accent, hurry. Occurring, furry. For YRR, we have mer or mer. EUR, chauffeur, masseur. EU, Müller. They are French loan words. Variant pronunciations. In British accent, in American accent, So here, worry, hurry, nourish. In American accent, were, hurry, nourish. Are in British accent, but in American accent. So here, para in British accent, but thorough in American accent. Deterrent in British accent, deterrent in American accent. One of spellings. Colonel, and where. Many thanks for watching the video. Till we meet again, I wish you all the best. God bless you. Bye bye.